Hey guys, it's Ashley for another True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing T-Box Express. I can't show you the top because my address is on there. But anyway, if you're not familiar with T-Box Express, I have unboxed this in the past. This is a monthly tea party in a box. Each box comes with 4 to 6 gift items. There's always a whole leaf tea, which means it's not in like a all like that stuff in little bags. It's either in just you scoop it yourself, or it's in those little pyramid sachets. And then there's just other fun items. These boxes are really cool, especially if you do like to take a time out each day. Maybe you don't do it with tea. Maybe you do it in a different way. But this is a nice excuse, and it helps you to get to that place, at a quiet, reflective spot. Each box is $25.50. I will link down below to my full review and to T-Box Express. I also have a coupon code, SPRING, all capitals, for 20% off your first box. So it always comes with this card. It doesn't have like the ingredients in the box on it or anything. All right, so our first, oh my goodness, oh, it's a Valentine's tea infuser. How cute. Isn't that neat? Oh, tea, part of a healthy lifestyle. I agree. All right. Then we've got Chocolat Moderne. This is like a mottled, berries and lavender avant-garde bar. So first of all, I'm going to ask you to like look up here and see purple and red. There's like these smatterings of color. So I'm guessing that is the berries and lavender. And then it says caramel with strawberries, raspberry, and lavender. So there's caramel, strawberries, raspberries, and lavender in here. And the ingredients are right here as well. Dark chocolate, cream, cane sugar, strawberries, raspberries, glucose, butter, lemon, lavender. So that looks delicious. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Can't wait to try it. All right. Then we've got, ooh, look at you. Handmade cookies from a couple of squares. Look at these. Oh my god, I'm going to have so much fun taking pictures of these. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, this box is so adorable. All right, let's have tea and relax. This is from Sinla. It's a blank inside card. But isn't it pretty? Oh, isn't that cool? I love the colors. Look at the back. Isn't that cute? All right, so now we're down to the last 2 items here. Story of my tea. Wait. Oh my goodness. They're like little tea. So this is is this tea? Yes, it's rose tea. I don't know if I've ever told you guys this. My favorite tea, I think I have, I'm pretty sure I tell everybody I can. My favorite tea is rose tea. I just love floral teas, but rose tea, it speaks to my soul. So this is from Story of My Tea. And these are like little like cakes almost, they look like. And it's rose, and so it tells you here, steep this tea in a glass teapot. It is a beautiful and relaxing experience watching the leaves unfurl. So these are going to open up to like a rosebud, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. This does have caffeine. So the legend of this tea dates back to when the Tang Dynasty, when Princess Wencheng was forced to marry the Tibetan ruler in order to settle an ongoing border war. The sad and lonely princess made some Anua dark tea, so it's Anua dark tea, to remind her of her parents and her homeland, but rose petals were accidentally mixed in with the leaves. The serendipitous blend inspired insight into the importance of peace, harmonious integration, and acceptance of her new role. How beautiful. But that's not it. So there's like 5 little, I keep wanting to call them pellets. They're not pellets. Like tea hearts. Tea hearts. I just think it's so cute. There's also this I'm a Gypsy herbal blend. So you got a caffeinated and then you got an herbal. This is also from Story of My Tea. I think these are gorgeous. So this is an Egyptian, as the other one is Chinese in origin. This has some hibiscus peppermint aroma with sweet notes of licorice. It tastes tart, because hibiscus is, if you've ever had hibiscus, has a like a bright, bold flavor. And then there's some lavender chamomile. And it says here, This beautiful ruby blend is a great way to satisfy the sweet tooth any time of the day. A flavorful herbal infusion with a base of hibiscus sweetened with licorice, lavender, and chamomile with a refreshing dash of peppermint. That's exciting. This is a great nighttime. This is a great morning. I'm thinking that I cannot wait to try this. I am so excited. So that's everything that was in my Tea Box Express for February. An amazing box. This one, I think, honestly, is probably one of my favorites that I've ever received. One, because it has my favorite kind of tea in there. Two, because everything was just so cute. It was just so cute. So if you're interested in the full review, I'll put that below. I'll also link to Tea Box Express so you can check them out. I'll also put the coupon code down there as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.